Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, September 15th, and this is my analysis for the US dollar index, and we are on the 4-hour time frame. So on the US dollar index, last week I was talking about how this actually looks like five waves down, which makes me think that the whole pattern from that point on is still a correction. Like this is potentially like an A, this is a B, and maybe it goes up for a wave C. Now, that definitely still seems pretty likely to me because a wave B can go to the 123 or the 138% of wave A. So it definitely still could be that. So if it does go down to one of those two levels and then give us a break of structure, which is the key here, then that's what's going to tell us that we're in an uptrend for wave C. The whole thing is that if this is the end of a pullback on the daily time frame, which it looks like it could be, then it may never go up and make this wave C. It perhaps has already made a wave, a three-way pullback right here, ending there, and it may just continue to make lower high, lower high, lower high. It may bounce from the 23%, but it could just continue to make lower lows, lower highs. So if the market is trending, making lower lows, lower highs, then there's no reason to think that it's going to go up and make a big wave C. And I would definitely still continue to look for shorts on the dollar via the dollar pairs themselves. So anyways, don't forget to check out my website linked over here in the corner. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.